Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. It's snowing a lot in Korea now. Today's topic is Girls' Day Yura's fortune analysis. Girls' Day Yura's fortune has been requested. Yura has analyzed her fortune several times, but this time she has applied for an independent analysis. It's a fortune with a very individualistic and powerful. Let's analyze it together. Yura is the sun in her fortune. The sun floats in the sky and shines on the world. Therefore, she hates being tied to small things in the world. There are many people who think that they are special. And Yura has a letter that means sea in her fortune. Yura's fortune is that the sun is floating on the sea. However, the word sea corresponds to Yura's spouse, which is in conflict. However, this conflict is a very good meaning conflict, and there is no bad effect. It becomes a developmental relationship with each other. Right below the letter that refers to herself is her perception spouse. Yura wanted to love and care for her spouse. She has a very good flow of energy in her fortune. Energy gathers to the place where it flows and star marks. As you can see in the next picture, the letter is the spouse and the letter of honor. Yura is the ultimate purpose of the activity, and she is a person who values her husband very much. And if you have energy flow from right to left, you tend to be more successful as you get older. She is still active, but as she gets older, she will succeed with a new look. She has letters in her fortunes that has tremendous energy. It's a circle in the picture, and there are two places. This means activities in rough and difficult fields, and I think she will probably change her career when she gets older. If she becomes an actress, I look forward to her activities as an action actress. If she does business, she is expected to do activities in different fields, not in the areas where women usually work. The flow of energy from fortune is also very good as a businessman. If she does business, she can always work as a CEO because she is honor oriented. The driving force and the execution power have been somewhat weak, but she is waiting for the luck of becoming more powerful in the future. I'm looking forward to Yura's future even more. To give her a piece of advice, I recommend that you always be receptive to new information as a way to replenish the energy that is not in your fortune. You will be able to live a better life in the future and have a good execution. But it would be very good to be open to new information to strengthen your planning skills. I will finish analyzing her fortune, looking forward to seeing a new side of her. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.